Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be field stripping a single shot breakdown style shotgun. I believe this one is either a Harrington and Richardson or a Savage 228. It could have used a full refurbish, however in this case field stripping did suffice. Here are some before photos of the shotgun. To begin, first handle all guns as though they are all loaded. You want to visually and physically check that it is unloaded. Open and look down the chamber, feel that nothing is in the barrel. All the while ensuring it is pointing in a safe direction and ensure your finger never goes into the trigger. This one has the hammer on the outside, so simply verify that the hammer is all the way forward. If your shotgun has an internal hammer, ensure that the safety latch is on. For the barrel and all other metal parts, I use a 000 steel wool to sand down all the rust spots. I then wiped it all down. I then cold blew the metal parts to refinish the metal and get rid of the rust. I applied multiple layers, sanding it down in between layers with the steel wool. I cleaned the barrel by running a gun bore cleaner, oiled multiple times, followed by the barrel brush to break up any of the gunpowder residue. I then followed up with one more coat of gun bore oil and lubricated all the moving parts. For all the wood parts, I then used true oil to refinish the forestock and butt of the gun. You can use 400 grit or 500 grit paper to sand down the stock. You can also use boiled linseed oil if you choose. For this project, I applied multiple layers of true oil and sanding in between layers. Let it sit for about 2 hours to dry. It will appear more glossy in the beginning, but will become more satin when it dries. Here are before and after photos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more videos like this one, please click like down below and subscribe. It's a small way to support this type of content. Thank you.